Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one of the most researched ingredients for hair growth is rosemary oil. And my favorite rosemary oil is this Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So this oil is actually extremely popular because of the amazing benefits it provides and also because of its extensive and really good quality ingredient list. So this Mielle hair oil is infused with biotin. You can use it as a scalp treatment and also as a split end care. The way that I use this oil is I open it and with the applicator, I take some of the product and then I apply it directly to my scalp. Sometimes I also do some scalp massages with this rosemary hair oil. And if you take a look at the ingredients, you can also see that there are other really good quality ingredients found in this oil apart from the rosemary oil. We also have castor oil, we also have coconut oil, there's also jojoba oil, and many other amazing oils for hair. And that is my point of view.